In today's video, we are gonna cover some basics of Twixtor. Import a clip which you wanted to slow-mo. Once you imported a clip, look for the part which you wanted to slow-mo. Just to make it more simple, I will trim all the remaining parts and work only on the part which we wanted to slow-mo. Right before using Twixtor, let's see how it looks with Premiere Pro speed and duration option. Or by using the timestamps, move to the Twixtor part. To do this, just right click on the clip speed and duration option. Let's bring the speed to 50%, that is 2 times slow motion. As you can see, it's not very smooth and looks very choppy. So now let's try doing the same using Twixtor. Most of you watching this would already tried using Twixtor and experienced this problem. You would have separated a clip and inserted a Twixtor plugin and changed its speed from 100 to 50 or 20 or something. And notice that instead of the part you wanted it to be slow-mo, some other part is being shown. Now let's discuss the right way of doing it. Create a new sequence and then drag a clip to the sequence creator. If you want your clip to be of 50% speed, create a duplicate of a clip by holding Alt and dragging it out. For 20% speed, you should have 4 duplicate clips, so totally 5 clips. For 10%, you need totally 10 clips. After that, go to main timeline, drag the sequence you created into your main timeline. Now, apply the Twixtor plugin from the effects panel. And now, adjust the speed to match the clip. Guys, Twixtor is a very powerful plugin. To preview it more smoothly, just pre-render the clip. Now, let's compare both Twixtor and normal speed control of Premiere Pro side by side. You can clearly see here, the Twixtor part is more smooth than the normal part. So now, if you want to learn more about the different settings available in the Twixtor effects control, leave it in the comments and I will consider making one soon.